Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. After last week's volatility, the direction of the markets is set downwards now. The BSE Sensex and Nifty both off the day's lows but corrected nearly 1.5% today. And this follows a 2.5% correction in benchmark indices in the previous week. The Sensex finally ended at 18,540 and the Nifty closed at 5590. The persistent selling from FIIs and the weak rupee is what is putting pressure on our equity markets as well. However, the benchmark story is only a part of it. The mid and small caps is where the real action was. The BSE mid-cap index was down as much as 2.5% today. Among sectoral indices, there were no gainers. On the losing side, the high beta and rate sensitives corrected the most. The BSE Realty Index was down as much as 5% and Consumer Durables Index corrected around 3.4% as jewelry stocks saw some massive selling. Jewelry stocks were down today as there are fears that gold prices may correct further as liquidity in global markets dries up. So TBZ was down as much as 6.8%, PC Jewelers was down around 8.5%, and Gitanjali Gems was at its lower circuit correcting around 20% today. M&M Financials was down slightly more than 8% today as the company has said it will not apply for a banking license. And in some previous sessions, the stock did go up in anticipation of applying for a banking license. JP Group stocks corrected today, and for different reasons. JP Associates was down slightly more than 11% today as the company's cement arm is likely to shelve its plans for selling the Gujarat cement plant. Also, JP Power was down around 13.5% after operations have been impacted in the Uttarakhand plant thanks to incessant rains. Then there were metal stocks which corrected a lot today after fears that Chinese growth may slow more than expected. Jindal Steel, however, was up around 1.44% on some bargain hunting. Coming to other Sensex stocks, other than Jindal Steel, Hindalco, ICICI Bank and Tata Power were all up around 0.6% despite the dismal market. And on the bottom of the pile, there was Sterlite Industries, Bharti and BHEL all correcting anywhere between 3 to 4%. Experts suggest that there could be more pain in the market if FIIs continue to sell. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.